Hello, it is Jack Hellmandollar. I am Jesse Hellmandollar's son, and I'm just going to give you a little tour around our house. So this is my brother, Jace Hellmandollar. And there might be not a lot of stuff because we are actually moving, so I'm going to start with the basement. Just go down here. There. So we have my keepsake, me and my brother's keepsakes. If you don't know what that means things that we like have done that we've had for a pretty long time. Some more of our keepsakes. There's Jason's hand. This is my dad's clothes. Some more dad's clothes. There's my dad right there. He's moving this wine cooler right there. Some boxes that you can tell we're moving. So these boxes. Now this is like a little storage room. It's under the stairs, which I went down. So there's not a light in there. It might be a little dark, so for you guys. Might be a little dark for you guys. So I'm gonna turn on the lights. Yes. Okay, so Jace is gonna show us something.
This is Jax's.
So this is part of my Lego table, actually. So I'm gonna show the rest. I'm gonna show all the stuff, okay? So I'm gonna show you some other stuff. This is a couch that we're not using. So ladder, two-step ladder. Here is a freezer that came with the house. So it has some ice in it. See? Here is a thing for cleaning rugs, some tops, and a vacuum cleaner that we do not use. Here's a footrest thing right there. This is some stuff. There's my mom's knitting thing. There's the crock pot. Some cooking things. Hold on. So yes, we will show you what we have in the back. We'll show you the trampoline later. Yeah. But we have some travel bags, some drawers, mattresses.
Two
TVs. One, two. A cabinet, some stuff on top of it. Here's a cabinet. This is my dresser, actually. It's my dresser.
We also have.
So we have these drawers. This is my bedside table.
Yeah.
We have some stuff in there. So we have a garage. Hold on, Jace. So my dad's clothes. My dad's clothes. Some costumes. There's a pterodactyl. My mom's clothes. Some other stuff right there. A rug, Legos, and then some other stuff right there. Mm-hmm. Then we got a tackle box right there with some fishing poles. Mm-hmm. We got my dad's new grill right here. Here, let me show you the front of it. It's a charcoal grill. Got it for Father's Day. There we go. Now here's some boxes. Jace's old car seat. He's actually in a booster now. It's exciting. Some beach chairs. There's nothing in this. This is just an old cat. This is just a cabinet.
And we also
a tool holder. Some stuff to clean the cars, and this thing. I have no idea what you call it. We also have this thing for like big boxes. So that's the wine cooler. So now there's the shoe. That's where we keep our shoes. So now yes, we will do that. So now we're gonna go upstairs. There's my dad again.
What's up?
Now we're gonna go upstairs.
I'm gonna show you.
So we got a little recycling thing right here. We have the bathroom, one of the bathrooms.
We have an ant trap.
Ant trap right there because we got some ants. Here was where we kept our shoes.
But
We kept some of our shoes in our backpacks right there. Ottoman to put your feet on, some wrapping stuff. Got a drawer. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. It's the front door. Okay, the keys. This is like the cabinet right there. You can see me. Let's move on. We'll go to that later. Basketball hoop. Another TV, which is our main TV that we use.
yes,
I have a guitar right there. So we got our dining table,
yes, which is
a fireplace.
We have a new couch.
We got a couch right here.
We also have the kitchen.
We got the kitchen with a
Which we're gonna
this.
show you that in a couple minutes.
So we're gonna show you something out there.
No.
No, we're actually gonna show you it right now. I bet
Yeah.
that's what we have for our dogs, but our dogs are with our grandma and grandpa.
Yeah.
So we're gonna open this.
Yeah.
You might see we're moving. So we took the net off of it, but we have a trampoline here. Jace, can you go jump on it for us? Thank you. So there's my little brother's gonna go jump on it. Run, Jace, run! Got the out back. So he's gonna jump on it for us. Can you roll? Can you do a forward roll? It's a bit slanted because good job. It's a bit slanted because of some workers. They had to move it instead to get on top of the roof because the shingle was missing and replace it. So So we're gonna go back inside.
We can show you the backyard, but we have to show you that way.
So we can show you the backyard, but we're gonna show you that a little bit later.
Jack, are you still recording?
Yeah,
How long is it?
it's only been 7 minutes. We're doing a house tour.
Oh, sweet.
My dad.
I might time out on you. Just heads up.
Okay, so we're gonna hurry up. So here is a vacuum cleaner. We have a bathroom right here. So we have my room right here. And there's not a lot of stuff in it because we're moving, like I said. And then we have this room. This is Jace's. We took the mattress out of it, so it's pretty empty. It's just like a playroom now. We have a ladder right there. We have my mom and dad's room, the master bedroom, our swim stuff, cabinets, suitcases, my mom's and my dad's because, we're moving and we don't have our dresses anymore. We have my mom and dad's bed, their bedroom right there, shower. And they also have this. There's my dad's little shoes.
Yeah, the quick.
We have this stuff. Here's my dad's glasses case.
Which don't mess with that.
So there
Don't
we
mess
go.
with that.
Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you the back, and then we're gonna go up front. So to show you. So let's hurry up. Let's hurry up and go. Like my dad said, it might time out on us.
And then we'll
So yeah. So here's our backyard. It has a fence, nice fence over there. Then we have a fence right here. It's pretty light. Wasp pipe, yes. I don't know what we're gonna do about that, but so here we have an Aerodyne. It's a workout thing. Some that stuff, this soccer ball, bucket. Taking apart our stuff. That's stuff that our basketball hoop. That's some stuff that we don't need. Here's my dad's car. It's a Pilot.
Yeah.
Probably see me
Mom has a Pilot.
as well, but she's not here right now. Here's another. My dad's grills. We got some tanks. Not some tanks. Some gasoline tanks and lawnmower. So my dad's bike. So we got the garage door. So that's basically it. Make sure you like and subscribe on the video, and we'll see you in the next one.